her goal is not in her. She's a dime.
Hello everyone, my name is Ariella and I just wanted to give you a quick recap about who I am. Now, I'm in my 20s and I live in New York City. I wasn't always super successful, but this guy back here, Weasley $1 Million Virgin, taught me everything I needed to know about making money online. But it wasn't that easy for me. You see, just 1 year ago, I got into a terrible car accident. And it really left me devastated because I was at a time where I didn't know how to make any money and I actually couldn't work a job. And it was the first time in my life where I needed to work, but I couldn't work. So I really was in a desperate time and I really disliked talking about it, but I decided to be vulnerable here to really help everyone watching me right now. I needed to learn a few things before I was able to make it on the online business. And honestly, I was a real estate agent. And I was not a technical person. Actually, I remember when I was doing real estate, I didn't even really know how to upload the images to my computer onto my website to make it look good. I had issues even with that. So I thought, how am I ever gonna make $1 on the internet if I'm so not a technical person? But then I met Weasley Virgin and he really helped me become who I am today by teaching me 3 key elements that I wanna teach you today. And they might be so simple, but if you don't know it, then it's not gonna go anywhere for you because you really, it's like a science. And he knows everything about internet marketing. He is like the god of internet marketing.
Stop it.
No, I'm serious. And we're here in Las Vegas and we're not partying. We're not out drinking, smoking. We don't do this in Virgin Media. We are learning. In fact, let me show you something real quick. Next to me right here is my mentee, Herman Cheplex. And as you can see, we are working. Herman, why don't you tell them real quick what we're doing?
Yeah, so I'm here with Miss Ariella. She's actually creating a course. I have no experience in internet. I have no experience. I never heard of Vimeo. I have no idea what to do on ClickFunnels. I call her, I message her. She said, come on, I will sit with you. I will work with you and I will help you step by step to put all your things in together. And she's actually here. I was shocked when she came here and met with me to sit with me, take her personal time this evening that she would have been spending it with her family and friends out partying in Vegas. And she's actually spending it with me to teach me step by step on how to put all my videos and set up my website and set up my landing page so I can get going, so I can go and launch.
Exactly. Now, you see, thank you, Herman. I don't really care about my success. Of course, it's important, but my mission in life is to help you make money and for you to be happy. Now, I didn't have to meet with Herman right now, but I care about him and I care about other people that believe in themselves because that is the first step. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 key elements of what you need in order to make your first sale online, and it's absolutely for free. So, step 1, you need to choose a good ClickBank vendor. Now, you go to clickbank.com, www.clickbank.com. You log in and you might say, Ariella, well, how do I know what's a good offer to promote? Well, that's very simple. All you need to do is look at the gravity. If the gravity is high, that means they're making money. The affiliates promoting it are making money. Now, the best program to promote, which is in the top 10 out of Wesley, how many people?
4,000.
4,000 people is this guy over here's course. It's called Overnight Millionaire. We are on the first page and it's super exciting stuff. I urge everyone to promote Overnight Millionaire. So you heard it from my mouth. If you don't know what to promote, obviously promote Overnight Millionaire. It's on the first page. People are making tons of money and the gravity is high. Better yet, I can give you exactly what you need if you just listen to me, but more on that later. Second thing is, okay, Ariella, I know what to promote now, but how do I go about it? Where do I start? Well, again, a lot of people do not know this, but if you don't know, then Facebook will shut you down before you can even earn $1 online. Now, it took Wesley how many years to make your first sale?
I'm embarrassed to say this, but it took me 7 years.
7 years. And he is the god of marketing. But back then, he was a newbie, just like yourself. So it is possible to go from 0 to hero real quick in this industry. Now, if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't know what I'm doing. But luckily, we have him on our side. So let's use him to get the money, baby, because he knows exactly what he's doing. And I'm going to teach you it because I learned from the best, literally. GoDaddy.com is step number 2. www.godaddy.com. When you want to pick a domain name, you want to avoid 2 things. Making claims such as get rich now, get rich quick, make millions now. You do not want this. You want to use a domain name that is more lifestyle, right? Like manifestation techniques, subconsciouspower.com, idesiremore.com. Lawofattraction.com, if that's available. Anything that is not making too much of a claim, but the people kind of get an idea of what you're promoting by that. So Overnight Millionaire, for example, is teaching people how to use the subconscious powers to attract their dream lifestyle, their dream life. So for that situation, use anything about law of attraction, mentality, mind hacks.com. You see what I'm doing? I'm not making a claim, but I'm letting everyone know kind of what we're promoting. And that's exactly what you want to do. Now, the third step is promoting on Facebook. When promoting on Facebook, you want to make sure you have a right headline and you don't want to use an image. Too many people are spending tons of money using thumbnail images. But what we found out after Wesley spent millions of dollars is that video ads convert the best. The best. But not just any video ad. You want a video that's gonna get to the point. It's less than 1 minute because you want to advertise on Instagram as well. So it's very important that it's less than a minute, and it also doesn't make any claims. So a good video ad, for example, would be maybe a video about someone meditating with a cool image of a picture of their brain and it getting wired. And you can find a bunch of these images on Fiverr.com. And it's also very cheap. If you didn't know about Fiverr.com, there you go. There's another free trick I'm giving you. But if you decide you want to learn more and actually make a change in your life, I am doing something extremely special for everyone watching me right now. I am holding a live free training that all you need to do is click the button below and click learn more and join me in my free training. If you thought that these tips were good, just wait until you get in my training. It is 100% for free and I am holding it right now. You do not need to decide to learn more. But if you do click learn more, I can promise you that your life will change. You will start living your dream life and you will start manifesting and attracting all the places and the lifestyle that you always wanted to have. Whatever your purpose or your reasoning or your lifestyle that you may want, I'm telling you, it can come true. And it's not that far away right now than you think it is. With certain mind techniques and my 3 principles that I will show you in this free training, that's all you need. I'm telling you, I got you from the top of my heart because I was just like you and I did not know anything. If you're old, if you're young, if you don't know about the internet, there is no need to worry because I was just like you. And I'm telling you, if you join my free training right now, you too can learn everything and dominate the industry as well. Click learn more below and get into my video and I will see you there. Let's go.